What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to create a cartoon illustration of Santa Claus. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, come all the way around towards the bottom, and we'll pull that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to tuck the mustache in behind the nose. Let's start on the top left. Just going to curve this up and then bend that down. Let's line that up on the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to curl up the tip of the mustache, rounding this out and going up. Now I'm going to bring the mustache coming back down and up in the center of the nose. So let's start on the left. Coming all the way around and then just bending that up in the middle. Let's add the mouth in the center. Starting over on the left, we come down and up with a half oval, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth. Now I'm going to move down and add a fold for the lower lip, coming down and up. Now let's go back up and tuck the eyes in behind the mustache. We're going to start right where the nose meets the mustache. We're going to go all the way around towards the top of the eye, come down and then back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around toward the same height, come down and in. Now pull the pupils towards the inside. Let's start on the top left, go all the way around, and just pull that in. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. And it will fill the bottom of the pupils in black, going around that highlight. Now let's place the eyebrows on top of the eyes. We start at the very top. Just going to bend this around and then go out. Then from here, come down along the side, and then bend that back in towards the eye. Now the bottom edge of the hat brim is going to sit behind the eyebrows and the mustache. So start on the bottom left, curve this up and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now in between the eyebrows, add a slight curve. Now let's draw the outside of the hat brim. From the tip of the mustache, we're going to step down, curve around. I'm just going to pull this up and in towards the middle. Go all the way around. Come down the right side and then bend that back in. Now I'm going to go back over towards the left side and flop the hat towards the right. So start up here, bend this up and out towards the right. I'm going to bend the hat, coming around and then down towards the bottom. Let's add a circle along the bottom of the hat. And then we'll add that fold on the right side, starting up here, and it's up and across. Now from the top of the circle, we're going to step in, bend this up and in behind. Now let's add in the beard. From the bottom edge of the hat brim, curve this around and then in. Let's add a point, going up and in with a short line. Now on the left side, we're going to bend this down and in towards the middle, and then bend that back down towards the center. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw on the body. Let's start underneath the beard on the left side. We're going to leave a little gap, curve this out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. Now let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down in the middle, and we'll bend that back up. Now I'm going to place the buckle in the center of the body. You can gap in the middle. Let's start on the left, draw a straight line going up. Same thing on the right. close off the top with a straight line. Let's trace the buckle along the inside. Let's go to the top corner of the buckle, step down and follow that same curve, going out and then up towards the side of the body. And then from the top corners of the buckle, we'll step in, draw 2 straight lines going up underneath the beard. Let's add a thick trim around the side. Starting on the left, round this out, pull that back in, like a bracket. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the body. You need a gap in the center, a step over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left, coming down, and then up. I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. I'm going to go up, I'm going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. You want to leave a gap on the inside. And then from the top of the foot, let's step out, bend the leg going out, and then up underneath, aiming towards the hip. Now I'm going to add that trim across the top of the boot. Starting from the outside, bend this down and up on the inside of the leg. Let's step down and draw that again. I'm also going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Now let's move back up and draw the arms on the hips. From the top of the body, let's step down. I'm just going to curve the top of the forearm going up and then out. Let's line this up on the right. Up and out. Let's move up in behind the beard. We're going to curve the outside of the arm going out. Just going to round out the arm and just pull that in. Let's add a fold across the bottom, coming down and in. And then wrap the hands around, starting back up here, curve it around, and then in behind the hips. Now let's add that thick trim across the wrist, starting up here, then it's up and in towards the side of the body. And step out and draw that again. Let's finish off by sanding our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Santa Claus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.